Potrero Neighborhood Collective developer team has proposed that the bus yard be redesigned as a 4-story enclosed modern yard that supports improvements in transportation through a number of key features. The project prioritizes strong public transit, one of the most important tools we have to fight climate change. The multi-level bus facility will enclose and centralize maintenance activities on the ground floor to insulate noise within the building. Bus entrances and exits, you see one highlighted in red here, will be located on Mariposa Street. This also improves Muni's efficiency and improves safety by moving bus activity away from 17th Street and the pedestrians and bicyclists there. The second level of the bus yard will house Muni's training headquarters and offices for SFMTA staff. This level also features a room that can be reserved for eligible community events and meetings. The third and fourth levels will contain bus parking, charging, and bus wash areas. The new yard will be phase 1 of the project and accommodate 54% more buses, which Muni needs for its fleet. It also improves employee wellness by providing more natural light and work areas and dedicated employee outdoor spaces. The proposed bus facility includes a glass wall along 17th Street facing the park at Franklin Square. The glass street wall would allow for natural daylight to enter the bus yard's interior and to have buses remain visible to the public. During our outreach, we heard about the community's appreciation for Muni's longtime presence in the neighborhood. This glass wall will allow the public to see operators driving up and down the ramps and highlight public transit. As approved by the SF Arts Commission Visual Arts Committee in the fall of 2023, the glass wall will also integrate public art into the facility design. The yard has also been designed to support up to 465 units of housing along Bryant Street and above the bus yard by insulating noise and vibrations within the yard. This is accomplished with the roof cap and by locating maintenance activities in a fully enclosed and air-conditioned space on the ground floor, by providing parking for short-term car rental service for resident use, and by including a concrete podium above the roof to provide the structural needed strength to build housing above the yard.